Hello. So I'm gonna climb this tree. So I'm just giving you example and my thoughts. I might be wrong, but this is what I feel. Look. So like while climbing this tree, I have to make a lot of effort. Like this is a very nice tree, and because of this tree, this thought came into my mind, like what a nice pull from the start of this tree, and then we switch from one branch to another, and then swing, and also a little like jump to came down from this tree. So if you see, this is all the part of yoga. I will share you more while I'm gonna climb up this tree. I will make a little video on the sitting on the branches of the tree. Thank you.